Hello everyone, my name is Myriam Alqassab. I am the founder of Bahrain Stargazers Astronomy Club. Also, I am the IAU National Outreach Coordinator for Bahrain. Today, I would like to share with you my journey in providing education through astronomy clubs. First, I would like to start with the IAU OAE motto, which is astronomy for everyone. In a country where the majority lack the interest of astronomy, you might find difficulties in proceeding astronomy as a career or a hobby. So in 2016, I decided to establish the first astronomy club in my country. Despite having no formal certificate in astronomy, I was only an amateur astronomer with a small reflector telescope. I decided to take the chance without thinking about the possibilities of failing, because deep inside me, I was certain that there are people just like me who are interested in astronomy and who are curious and they want to learn more. When I started to ask about what would I need to establish the club, people told me you would need lots of money, lots of telescopes, observatory, and a degree in astronomy. I'm not gonna lie and say all of these things are not important. They are, of course, but what I needed was the passion for astronomy that I have, the knowledge in astronomy, persistence, confidence, motive, and time management. Through my journey with astronomy, I found that many people are afraid to get involved in astronomy because they feel like they are not educated enough, unqualified, or they must have a high education certificates in astronomy. Thanks to Bahrain Stargazers, we are starting to change this idea because 80% of our members are beginners. We learn from each other, we practice together, and we motivate each other. How do we provide education to our members? By organizing stargazing sessions. We teach them how to use telescopes, astrophotography lessons. We provide seminars and webinars, workshop. Also, we participate in international competitions and campaigns, international astronomy events. Since 2016 until now, the club has held more than 82 stargazing sessions, 8 trips, 24 workshops, and 38 seminars. We have joined the IAU. We are advocating for the International Dark Sky Association. We collaborate with other organizations and astronomers around the world, and all of that only to spread the knowledge of astronomy in our country. And remember, astronomy is for everyone. Bye-bye.